Hello YouTube, it's Chris. Hey, just a brief follow-up video to my last video about the Hansshow lit door sills. Do you remember this little plastic strip here? It's got little clear stickers on it. We couldn't figure out what they were for. I just figured it out. I thought I'd share it with you guys that are doing this installation. Two things. One is, let me just, well, basically somebody messaged me and said, hey, what happens if you're just cleaning the bottom of your door with a cloth and you knock that magnet off the bottom of your door, it'll stop working, right? That's true. Hansshow does give you extra magnets, but he had a really good point, which tweaked my idea. That's what these stickers are for. Once you put the magnet on the door, you're supposed to actually take the locator donut off and then put this plastic cover over it, which will stop that from happening. So I've done that now, and I'll show you. You want to take that donut off, because if you don't, it actually sits on the sill and makes a round donut circle, which you don't want to see. So anyway, let me spin my camera around. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So here's our installation from last night, and you can see, maybe you can't see it, but right there is the locator donut. So what I've done is I've peeled them off, because what you really do is you put the sticker over the magnet once you've put it on the door. So look, there you go. So now, even if it gets wet or someone's, rubbing it with a cloth or trying to wax the car or whatever, that magnet is not going to fall off. Of course, if it did, Hansshow does give you additional ones, which I've got in my glove compartment. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that, because I don't think, from the installations I've seen, people aren't doing that. They're leaving that locator on and then not using that strip. Perfect.